EuroClinix Honest Review, watch before using. EuroClinix is an online healthcare provider offering prescription, medication, and medical consultation across Europe. They aim to provide a convenient and a discreet service for patients seeking treatment for various conditions. And here are the key features of this website: online medical consultation, prescription medication, and fast delivery with customer support, which accessible customer service for inquiries and assistance. And here's the favorite part of this website. It comes with it gives access to medical consultation and prescription without visiting a doctor in person, and also it ensures privacy in both consultation and delivery process. And also it gives details description of medication and conditions available on the website. And here's the downside: medication may be placed on higher compared to local pharmacy, and also services are limited to certain countries within Europe, and also online assessment will not capture all nonsense of a face-to-face medical examination. And here's the final conclusion about this website. EuroClinix offer a convenient solution for free obtaining prescription medication online, and particularly for those seeking privacy and efficiency. However, potential users should consider the higher cost and the limitation inherent in online medical consultation. As with any healthcare services, it's crucial to ensure that treatment are appropriate for your specific medical needs.